is up, you beautiful, beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate you. First of all, I just want to say I didn't expect to be right back behind the camera so soon, and it feels freaking amazing. It's only been a couple of days since I filmed that last video, and I'm glad that I can get back out there. With that being said, I just now got off work. It's 5 o'clock and we don't have much daylight left. It's maybe an hour and a half tops. But I still wanted to come out and try to film a video for you guys, because I figure if I'm gonna try to get back into the swing of things, I'm just gonna go full force and use every bit of time that I have. So the plan for today is we're gonna go back to the river. I stopped at Walmart the other day and I picked up some goodies. I got me some more Bitsy Bugs and some Speed Craws in the same color that they were eating the other day, because I don't have any more left. And if you guys seen the last video, you know I only have like 2 Speed Craws left. So I went and got that, and figured I would just come down to the river and see if we can't get onto some smallmouth, because all I caught the other day was largemouth and 2 spotted bass, which I'm not gonna complain. That's freaking awesome, especially in February. But I wanna get my hands on a brown one. So we're back here at the river, and we're gonna do our best to try to catch some smallmouth bass. So if you guys are not subscribed, please consider doing so. Almost all of my watch time comes from people who are not subscribed. So if that's you, please consider hitting the subscribe button. It's free, and you can always unsubscribe if you don't like my content, but helps me out a ton. All I need is watch time. So you guys help me out. Leave a like, drop a comment, make sure you subscribe. Verse of the day. Verse of the day is popping up on the screen right there in all of its gloriousness. Check it out, look at it, love it, live it, meditate on it, and I'll see you guys in a second when we get to the river. Let's do it. All right. Figured we might as well just go ahead and stick with Speed Craw for now, because it's already tied on. I may, unfortunately, have to cut some stuff out because they're listening to music really loud right above me, because there is like a game room kind of thing, like an arcade, and you know, I can't have that music playing in my videos, but who knows, we may not have to. See what we can do. Oh. First cast got smoked. First cast got smoked. I thought it was a rock, but he tugged. All right, guys, it's 5:30. We're losing daylight quick, but I mean, I know there's a ton of current here, but right on up through here, it starts to slow down a lot, and it gets, you know, there's a few little pockets where I'm hoping some bass are stuck to, because if you guys remember in my last video, I said not all the fish go out to deep water, because not all the fish have access to deep water, unless it floods, of course, which it does do that a lot. So I don't know, we're gonna try it. We're gonna do our best, hopefully be able to find some fish, at least one. It is a race to catch a fish right now, and I really like winning races, so let's do it.
I was actually getting ready to back up anyway.
Stay and hang out. Maybe you'll catch one and I won't. All right, so when I got here, there was a subscriber here, and Caleb, dude, nice seeing you out, and once again, thanks for supporting the channel. I appreciate that, and I'm serious. Hit me up in the comments, and you know, we'll come out, we'll film a video together. That'd be pretty sweet. But he said he fished here for a good 45 minutes with no bites, and he was using something very similar to me. He's using green pumpkin craws. I'm using green pumpkin Bitsy Bug jig and green pumpkin craws. So, you know, the hopes are not high right now, because I almost didn't come down here. And even though I don't think I'm gonna be able to get bit here, I am glad that I came, because I always enjoy running into you guys. But I may actually have enough time to load back up and make it to where I was catching the spotted bass the other day and get a few casts before the sun goes down. Maybe. I don't I don't know, but maybe. I think I might try that. Probably get another cast in here and then I might head that way. For the most part, it's a skunk fest. 9 times out of 10 when I come here, I get skunked. And the more I talk about it, the more I'm ready to go. But Caleb, awesome seeing you out here. Holler at me in the comments. And we'll definitely get a video going. Let's load up. It's a race and I am losing for sure. I am losing. See you guys at the other spot. All right, we're pulling into the church. Caleb, I see you over there. I hope you've either caught one or you're about to catch one, but we're not even gonna turn the car off because, as you guys can clearly see, the sun is winning this race at this very moment. I don't really have time. I don't even have time to turn my car off. There you are. I'd like to see my line just doink. I don't think it's gonna happen though. Don't think it's gonna happen. Oh, you gotta be freaking joking. You gotta be joking. He took my claw. Really? It's like last seconds. And I don't even know what to say right now. That is 100% my luck. I don't even want to talk about it. Well, I got a buzzer beater bite, but it didn't help me none because I'm a terrible fisherman. I just couldn't make it happen. See you guys tomorrow or whenever I can film. Hopefully tomorrow. That'd be dope. Oh, wow. He's awesome. Wow. Here he goes. That's awesome. There's another one up there flying. Sweet. It's the next day. We came to work and, you know, some things are going on and the boss just told us to go on home. So we're gonna go fishing. Me and Dad's gonna actually go. I don't know if we're going over the mountain to those ponds or if we're going to the river or some lake, or I'm not really sure what we're doing. All I know is we're gonna go fishing. So you guys stay tuned, stick with us, and let's try and make a day out of this. Let's get it. Well, we've made it over the mountain. We're at the 2 ponds. And the wind is ripping and there's swells. So let's get to it. All right. Start off with a drop shot. Yeah, this wind's bad. It's not gonna make for good video at all. Wind's brutal, ain't it? You ain't bite yet? No bites? It'll happen. I hope it'll happen anyway. Somebody needs to catch a fish. I'm gonna cross this like an idiot. I hope I don't fall in and get wet, because the wind's gonna blow me in. About did it. Good night. This is awful. Why are we in this? Why? That wind about blew me right in. I've caught fish over here before. I was on my kayak. Good Lord. Man, it's pretty bad. Pretty bad. That's why I love a DC reel. Wind's ripping and I can still cast right into it. Move on down a little bit. Man, I wish this wind would just slow down, you know? I did get bit on this drop shot, so I'm thinking if I can find a few fish, I should be able to get bit. I mean, also it's been 60 some degrees today. It's been warm for the past couple of days, so that's probably helped out a little bit. This water doesn't feel too cold at all. I should be able to manage a fish, at least one fish, hopefully more. There's one. There he is. Let's go. Let's go. You know, right in the top of the mouth where you want it. He's not a giant at all, but we'll take him. Got a little battle wound there, right here. Something bigger trying to eat him. Heck yeah. Let's go. What wind? Thank you, my guy. See you later. I knew we'd be able to get at least one, but I'm hoping we can catch some more. Alright, the one thing that I can't stand about a drop shot, right after I caught that fish, this was just an absolute mess, but we ready again. And I also just realized that not only is that my first fish of the day, it is also my first fish on this new Lew's here, which, like I said in my last video, I was pretty sure I was gonna like it, because one of my favorite combos of all time was the old model of the Xfinity. I used to have that one, the orange and white one, and I actually gave it away here on my channel, and I've wanted another one ever since. And they came out with these new models, which look fantastic. If you guys want a review, let me know. I'd love to film one. Oh, I just missed another one. All right, we could turn this into a pretty good day, I believe. As long as the wind stays down enough for you guys to even understand what I'm saying, I think we can make something happen. It's my first fish on the new XF30. hear the wind again. Here it comes. Man, it's brutal. But if I can catch some fish, I'm gonna catch some fish. Wind or not. I'm also trying out these new drop shot weights. Those tungsten weights. Honestly, this is the first time I've ever thrown tungsten at all, and I know a lot of people are probably going to grill me in the comment section because tungsten is where it's at, but you know, tungsten is expensive. Oh, I just missed another one. Tungsten is expensive, and I like cheap, but you know, when I can afford it, I like to try new things. And these are actually from Walmart of all places, but I mean, they looked pretty cool. They didn't have the kind of drop shot weights that I wanted. They only had these like teardrop kind. And then I noticed that they had some of these, which are the tungsten ones. And throw in like a 3/8 or a 3/16 ounce lead teardrop weight would be, man, that was a mouthful. But the lead ones, they're much bigger, so it'd be pretty aggravating, especially with super light line like I'm throwing. This line is 10-pound braid on a 6-pound leader. Let's get out there a bit, see what happens. Feels good to be fishing though. Oh, I just missed a big one. I know he was big. I know he was big. I felt the weight. Oh man. He took my, oh no. He took my bait, and I don't have any more. I'm gonna leave this right here so I remember where I am. I'm gonna run back and see if Dad can throw me my drop shot stuff, because, oh man. I'll be right back, guys. All right, back at the truck. Got some drop shot hooks, tungsten drop shot weights. This is what I just caught that one on and then missed the other one. It's a 3-inch minnow watermelon pearl. It's the Gulp. First time I've ever tried this kind of bait. I see Greg Blanchard using a lot of stuff with like scents and stuff, so I figured I'd try it. And so far, I'm liking it. And then I also have these robo worms with the random Guggen bait in there. But I'm gonna take all this stuff with me over there. See if we can't catch some more. Let's do it. Got my bag of awesomeness, and we're heading back across this dam. Man, this wind. I haven't fished in wind this strong in a very long time. So it's whoa, it's taking a toll on me here. Especially because I can't tell where I'm stepping across this dam, and I'll step right in the water. Ow. Jesus. Jesus. All right, back to where we were. Go ahead and get rigged back up. Make sure this is sealed completely, because I don't want none of that yummy, delicious stuff leaking into anything that I have in there. I have my phone in there, my scales, you know. Have a few choice things in there that I don't want to smell like disgusting, stinking fish. Nose hook it like that. We ready to go. Come on, begging. I want that biggin. He smoked it a minute ago. I just got another bite. And I never set the hook because I'm a doofus. Doofus. Why do I do that? I mean, I'm not really 100% confident with a drop shot. It's not because I don't think they work. I know they work fantastic. Oh, are you kidding? But it's not about that. It's more about I've only caught a few fish on a drop shot. But oddly enough, this little pond here is where I've actually caught my first drop shot fish. So, you know, I don't have a lot of confidence in my abilities, you know, so. And if you guys didn't notice, I just got another one taken. That's the one thing I can say about these little gulp baits is they're so soft because of all that scent that they get ripped off pretty easily. But you know, it's a price you got to pay, and I'm okay with that, you know. Looks like it gets deep, like right off the bank here. Are you kidding? They just keep taking my bait, man. Let's try to throw one of these robo worm, or you know what? Let's try a robo worm. I would throw my drag and drop here, but I know for a fact that the drag and drop works here because I've already used it here. That's what I caught my very first drop shot fish on. See if this can get bit. I'm just tired of losing those gulp minnows. Every single cast I lose one, or every bite I lose one. There we go. First cast with the robo worm. He smoked it. Look at that. Chill out. This dude is hyper, making it tough on me to release him. All right, there he is. A little dink fest, but he's gorgeous. Thank you, my guy. Sorry for the toss. See you later. All right, I guess. Heck yeah, that was first cast with the robo worm. So hopefully this is what they want. Thought I had a fish. There he is. There he is. There he is. Fish number 3. I mean, they're all about the same size, but that's okay. You know what I mean? Catching fish. Catching fish. That pink robo worm action, getting it done. Thank you, my guy, for the fun. Appreciate you. Trying to get a better release for this guy, just so we have one good release in here. See you, dude. There he goes. Let's go, man. 3 fish in the middle of a hurricane. on a drop shot. 6 pound line. 6 pound line not being something that I ever thought I would hear myself say, but you know, it is what it is. I like that extra security, knowing that, you know, in that super clear water, I'm a ninja. They don't see me coming. Wow. Yeah. This ain't it. This ain't it, boys. This ain't it. This wind is so brutal, guys. I'm in. I just went in. Luckily, these boots are water resistant. They're not waterproof, but they're water resistant. Dad's already in the truck. He must have given up. Lord have mercy. Well, ladies and gentlemen, unfortunately, we're gonna have to call it a day. We ended up getting absolutely dumped on. It was pouring a second ago, and it's supposed to continue pouring throughout the rest of the evening. Actually, for the next few days, we have a flood watch and all kinds of nonsense. So we got rained out. We had to head out, and I just dropped Dad off, and unfortunately, I'm gonna have to call it a day. I don't want to do that, but I don't think I have an option. But you know, we managed to catch a couple, which is better than nothing. Like I said earlier, a dink fest is better than a skunk fest, so I'm good with it. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you, and if you're not subscribed, consider hitting the subscribe button. And I'm gonna try my best to keep popping out these videos for you guys, so stay tuned for those. And yeah, with all that being said, I'll see you on the next one.